Hey guys, so welcome back to another Green Form video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile re-entering Target and possibly Best Buy pretty soon. So let's get into it, guys. This is brought to you by bestmvno.com. Of course, they get the sources from other places as well. But Target, if you have a local Target near you, which I do, about, I don't know, probably like 20 minutes away from my house. I'm probably going to go check it out pretty soon and see what kind of offers they have. So everybody knows Boost Mobile is in Walmart. They were actually in Best Buy a long time ago, and then they got out of it. I think they were trying to focus more on their local stores, brick and mortar stores. But now it looks like they're coming back to, or heading towards Target and possibly Best Buy. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is a picture from a Target. As you can see, it's pretty cool. It says reboost your account, SIM card activation kit, 15 gigs, 1 month plan, 5 gig, 3 month plan. So pretty cool. It looks like they have the SIM cards and some phones right here. So let's get into it, guys. Pretty cool, actually. So it says the year 2018 and 19 marked a rough time for Boost Mobile in national retail. It says middle of 2018, Boost Mobile pulled out of Target stores as they stopped selling phones and SIMs there. So like I said, I think around that time, it was kind of tough. I mean, the space was getting really crowded with like Cricket and now Metro by T-Mobile's, even in Walmarts and other locations. So it says it also exited Dollar General that year, which I think was really rough because if you think about it, Boost Mobile has always been that budget-friendly prepaid carrier that people love. It's usually put in lower income parts of the towns just because they're trying to target those people, you know what I mean? It says early in mid-2019, Boost Mobile left Best Buy, which was a big thing because Best Buy, you know, that's where people go to get their technology. It says leaving Walmart as only national retail store where a customer could shop for Boost Mobile unless you went to your local store. Now, like I said, here in my town, we have about 4 Boost Mobiles, 3 or 4 Boost Mobiles that actually only do Boost Mobile, like Boost Mobile retail store. So it's nice for me here, but I know other places, they might not have a local store, so Walmart was a good place. So it is nice to see that Walmart's still a location where people can go to get their Boost Mobile phones and prepaid cards and SIM tools and SIM cards as well. So pretty cool. It says, as of today, under ownership of Dish Network, which I think Dish is the one that's pushing a lot to kind of get Boost Mobile back to its glory, should I say. Boost Mobile is pulling a 180 on its national retail strategy. So whoever, you know, basically they're saying the old CEO Boost was making some bad decisions. They shouldn't have pulled out, but now with Dish Network basically owning Boost Mobile, they're like, nah, we need to get back to the roots. It says early May, Wave 7 research began to hear rumbles that Boost Mobile was returning to Target stores. It was confirmed by Wave 7, check them out, research, that it was spotted at a Target store, you know. It's Boost Mobile CEO Stefan Stokels also tweeted, so there he is. He's the new CEO, I guess, or the current, Boost Mobile, at least the CEO for Boost Mobile, like I said, even though they're owned by Dish. It is true that they are rolling out, as you can see, at Target, so it's pretty cool. It says the end cap holds 3 Boost Mobile phones. So there you go, 3 Boost Mobile phones. The A03, which is priced at $60. The Samsung A13 5G, which is $150. A Boost Mobile owned branded Celero 5G priced at $100. Nice, $100 for a 5G phone. So it says 3 phones can also be found online on Target. Here's another thing right here. Look at that. They're starting to pop up already on Boost Mobile. On Best Buy. So it says recently Dennis Bornick of prepaidcompare.net shared 3 links with best MVNO of the same 3 phones sold at Target being offered online at Best Buy. However, the online offering appeared to have been accidental leaks. Ooh. So they probably got leaked, and then Best Buy has removed the links. It says, however, Boost Mobile, of course, however, Boost Mobile phones were there, but they did get removed. Google search still has some of the phones cached in its site index. Best MVNO has been able to screenshot those indexes showing model numbers, SKUs, and prices. Wow. So look at that. So the A13 $150 and the Solero $100. Cool. Says since 2021, Boost Mobile has been selling SIM cards preloaded with airtime at Best Buy. Strategy of selling Boost phones online only at Best Buy seems unlikely, given that the 3 phones that were just leaked online are the same ones now being sold at Target. So like I said, it's not fully confirmed yet, but it is pretty speculated that these phones will be coming to Best Buy's local store. Like I said, we only have one here in my town for miles and miles away. I think the other one's like 50 plus miles away. So it's nice that mine's local here. It's like I said, it takes me 20 minutes to get there, which is nice. Says Boost Mobile has to stop bleeding customers. Ever since Dish took over Boost Mobile brand, it's been bleeding customers. Dish purchased Boost Mobile in July of 2020, and the brand had more than 9 million customers at that time. So Boost Mobile was doing something, track. Now with Dish. I mean, they got rid of unlimited data plans. So I mean, that's the big no-no. I think a lot of people are leaving. They've lost 343,000 wireless subscribers first quarter of 2022. This total wireless subscriber count now stands at 8.2 million, which is not good, Republic Wireless and Ting each had about 200,000 customers at the time. They were purchased by Dish. Next Gen had under 100,000. So it's really, they need to do total 360, turn this bad boy around, and need to stop bleeding customers. That's what they really need to do. So pretty cool. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you have a Target or a Best Buy possibly, or a Walmart? Where do you usually shop, or do you just go to your local store? Let me know in the comments below, guys. But I think this is a smart move. Like I said, it kind of broadens their customer reach. Like I said, not everybody has a local Boost Mobile store near them. So if they were at Best Buy, which they were, and then they got removed, and let's say Best Buy was the only wireless retail store that a small town might have, or something like that, which I doubt Best Buy would be in a small town, but you know what I mean. If that's what people used to go, and then have a Boost Mobile or a Metro store or something. That's where people go. That's where people go for Straight Talk, for Walmart, And it's nice that Walmart was able to stay with Boost Mobile. So like I said, when I go to all my local Walmarts, which I have about 4 here, Boost Mobile is definitely offered, and it's good to see that. So pretty nice. Let me know in the comments below, guys. So I'm gonna go for a sign off. A lot more videos coming your way. I've been a little busy doing a couple things, but time to get back to work. So pretty cool. So thank you, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and more videos your way. Thank you.